The holidays can be a great time of joy. They can also be a time of stress for many people. That is because when we get together, the great things we like about other people bring us together, and the things that annoy or bother us push us apart. How can we make this holiday season much more enjoyable for you and for others? Well, I suggest better understanding the other person by playing the bank code game. Go to 4-cards.com and each one of you go in and play the bank code cards. Have the results sent to you by email, and then read those results to the other people in the group. Now, many of you are going to have the first bank code in common. Others will have a different bank code. In my family, we have a thing called the positivity game, where you go around in a circle and each one says something they like about the person, the next person. Let's say you start, and then the person to your right, you say something that you really like about them. Maybe it's like you love the way that they comb their hair, or you like the way they laugh, or you like their jokes, or you love the way they did great at school. Whatever it is, think of something positive, and the person receiving that compliment says, "Thank you." That's all they get to say is, "Thank you," and they just absorb the positive. Then they say something nice about the person next to them. Well, using bank code may be a similar thing. You all have your cell phones, you all pull them out, you go to 4-cards.com, you play the cards, and then you'll get your results. Then each one of you shares which code you are. It's a fun game, and everybody wins. Everyone knows something that's wonderful about the next person. It's sharing, it's building relationships, and it's a step-by-step structure that everyone can follow. Some key points. If someone is an action type, make sure they get to enjoy the win and being in the limelight. Of course, they need to allow others to win also, and others to get some attention as well. If the person is a blueprint, respect the fact that they might want you to show up on time. Or you might even show up a little bit early, but be careful of that one. People might not be all prepared and ready for you to arrive. If someone's a nurturer, make sure you focus on serving them and considering doing something for charity this year. And if you're knowledge type, well, allow them to be correct. If they said something that really is correct, acknowledge that. However, if you're knowledge type and someone else says something that's not exactly correct, go ahead and let them be right. These are a few little tips to help your holiday become brighter and a more positive experience for everyone. It's Dr. J. Sordian, wishing you a great holiday season.